Hey guys, how you doing? James Price here with Mako Group. This year coming out very soon, probably April, sometime in April, we're going to be releasing the KPOS Scout. This is a lightweight, more concealable version of our standard KPOS units. One of the benefits of this is that it's going to weigh about half of what a KPOS does. It's going to cost about half what a KPOS does. It's going to have a side folding stock. Disassembly is actually much simpler than on anything else in the marketplace. You simply pull the slide back, pull the gun out. Just put it back together, push it back together, click it in place, and your assembly is done. It's the fastest disassembly of any product on the market. Going to be very reasonably priced and should work very well for anybody that needs anything in this line of equipment.